Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to our post-game press conference. We have here Coach Sherwin Meneses of the Dreamline Smashers who won in straight sets against the Cherry-Pigo Crossovers. Coach, congratulations! 8th win for Dreamline in this conference. Ano lang masasabi mo sa naging performance sa team in the sweep of Cherry-Pigo?
Siyempre, malaking tulong sa amin yung panalo ngayon. Kaya kami at nakuha namin yung game ngayon ng 3 sets. Kasi last time, medyo hindi naman nag-relax sa third set, nakuha ng kalaban yung third set. Ngayon, naging lesson sa amin yung last game namin. So, sobrang thankful sa mga player din na nag-response dun sa third set.
Thank you, Coach. The floor is open for questions.
Coach, yung Cherry-Pigo po parang 2 years sila yung pumipigil sa mga mahabang win streak nyo lagi. And 3 sets and 4 sets. So ngayon po siguro ano yung naging susi para malagpasan nyo na din yung Cherry-Pigo na kumbaga may extra sila lagi kapag kayo yung palaban.
Research ka. So, nag-research din ako eh. Tama ka dyan. So, talagang nag-prepare kami for Cherry-Pigo. Yun nga, may mga history na ganyan. So, talagang nag-prepare kami mabuti. Kasi syempre, hindi rin naman rookie yung yung Cherry-Pigo. Veteran team din sila. Talagang dapat talaga maganda mabuti. So, yun.
We also have our best player of the game here, Bea Veteran. Bea, in this game against Cherry, you had 13 points. So, personally, ano lang ba yung naging motivation mo heading into this match to help the team get this win?
Personally, I think gusto ko lang talaga mag-aim for consistency. So I wanted to come into this game with a really good mindset and really focused. So yun naman, syempre with the help of my teammates, all of us rin naman talaga wanted the same thing. Lalo na nung up 2 sets kami, we wanted to that extra push na ma-finish siya sa tatlo. So yun, yun lang naman and talagang with the help of my teammates, anything naman is possible.
Okay, same question, Coach. Cherry-Pigo stopped a lot of Dreamline win streaks in the past, but they have that extra fire against you guys. So today, you got it done in straight sets. I guess what was something different, or what's that extra push on your end to get the job done as quick as you did today?
Well, kanina actually, na-remind kami ni Coach Sherwin na from the past game up 2 sets kami. Tapos yun nga, nagkaroon pa kami ng lapses in the middle. So we were just reminded din na pagka ganun na yung advantage, syempre kailangan na namin ma-maximize yun.
Si Denise Zamboanga po yung first Filipina MMA fighter na may MMA world title. Nanood siya sa inyo kanina. And sabi niya big green light fan daw siya and pinapanood niya kayo since daw nag-start pa lang niya. So ano lang masasabi po?
Siyempre thankful kami kasi nare-recognize ng mabuti yung volleyball. May mga ganyan na nanonood. Yun, thankful kami. Sana mas madami pang manood.
Siguro same question din kay Bea. Gano'n lang ito ka-meaningful para sa inyo?
Sobra, kasi syempre alam naman natin na it wasn't always like this. So talagang for athletes, even especially athletes of that stature na would know how it is. Sobrang thankful kami na nare-recognize rin kami in that sense. And ayun, talagang maganda lang talaga. Masaya nakikita na lumalaki pa rin yung sport.
For Coach and Bea, so far, maganda yung takbo po ng campaign nyo. At 8-0, parang anong pakiramdam to be in this position na knowing na sobrang isa sa pinaka-successful na team ng Dalawang Line at nasa position kayo to very good position to get another possible championship. Anong pakiramdam mapunta sa 8-0 ngayon?
Same lang nung every game na pakiramdam namin kasi hindi naman namin tinitake advantage na 8-0 pa. Basta kami, 1 game at a time lang kami. Yun lang yung iniisip namin. Pero syempre, masaya. Maganda yung nagiging resulta ng game. Pero sa tingin ko, mahaba pa yung pagdadaanan namin talaga kasi sobrang haba ng conference. Doon muna kami nakapokus sa every game na gagawin namin.
About first.
Same rin naman with coach. Ako actually relatively bago ako dito. So from the outside coming in, hangang-hanga ako sa mindset nila kasi kahit ganun nakataas yung naabot nila. Coming in, the work ethic is still so high. Ang taas ng disiplina, ang taas lagi ng level ng training, and yun, nakaka-motivate din yun on my part na makita kasi kahit despite all the greatness that they've already done, it's still 100% all in as if hindi pa sila nanalo, hindi pa kami nananalo before. So yun, talagang hanga-hanga rin ako with that part, and I think like what Coach Sherwood said, mahaba pa. Of course, it's a nice place to be in now, pero mahaba pa yung season. Sobrang dami pa naming tatrabahuin.
Bia, you talk about the mindset and the etiquette of Dreamlight. I guess, saan nanggagaling yung pagiging grounded from a player's perspective sa araw-araw ng competitive na practice? Saan nanggagaling yung pagiging grounded ng mga players?
Sa bashing ni Coach Sherwood. Joke lang. Pero I think it's very innate eh. So, culture thing siya, especially with Adelay establishing it na we keep going, we keep learning. Kahit ano pang naabot natin, there's always room for more.
May 18 straight wins na kayo for Dreamlight since last year pa lang. So you've basically had more wins na than losses so far sa more than a year mo with Dreamlight. Kumbaga, are you getting used to like that feeling of like, winning always? Parang is there, may times when you have to like have some reality check na although we're winning, anytime we can tumble down, get up basically.
Actually, yun nga, every day we're reminded that we have to work harder. So actually, we didn't know about the streak. Well, I didn't at least. So yun, parang coming into every game, it's as if we fight for a championship and kailangan namin talaga makuha as much as possible every game. Yun talaga lang yung mindset, one game at a time. So, well, today, after today, we're very, very thankful. We'll celebrate. But the next game, focus ulit kami kasi yun lang talaga, game after the other, trabaho.
Coach, yung next game niyo will be against Farm Fresh. So, paano lang makakatulong tong win na to getting into that game?
Malaking bagay yung pagkapanalo namin ngayon in 3 sets. Yung confidence ng team mataas. So, pero syempre, knowing Farm Fresh, talagang may mga recruit din sila talaga na talagang mga veterano and mixed na players. So, maganda yung pinapakita nila ngayong conference. So, maganda lang yung mabuti. Siguro magiging maganda yung laban.
Hi, Coach Jeppe. Congrats again on the win. I'd just like to ask, with UAP, they have around the corner, is there anything, you mentioned about being consistent, that's something that's very important in your game. And is there anything that you've learned in your time at Pinigil that you still integrate now? And do you have any messages for the Lady Eagles?
Syempre, I think a lot of the things that honed us in the UAAP, we have a lot to thank for in the UAAP, yung spirit, yung puso, coming from a culture in Ateneo which the same Adelay has built for us. It's been the same for me. Talagang pusoan, labanan, school pride. The UAAP has been one of the best journeys. Yun, sobrang saya sa UAAP. And of course, to the Lady Eagles, I wish you guys good luck. Coach. And definitely, I've seen the past games in the preseason and we're very, very hopeful sa nagiging improvement ng team. And sana tuloy-tuloy yun coming into the UAAP. And I think it's gonna be a very hopeful season for us.
Thank you, Coach. Thank you, Bea. Congrats on the win.
Thank you.